Hey guys, so today I feel like my lips are low. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm makeup free because I want to do like a whole cleansing video, how I treat my face, how I put so much product in it, how do I keep my face staying clear and healthy and beautiful, like, you know what I mean. So I don't know what this looks like. First we're going to use our black mask, looking like the first treatment. I know it's gonna be painful because last time I tried this, it was not fun. Put it in my nose. And we're using Black Mist by Bamboo Charcoal. It's anti-pore deep cleansing. And it says your face will be hydrated for 24 hours. Ain't none of this promise. Ain't none of this shit promise. Ain't none of this. Ain't none of this promise. Ain't none of this shit promise. Ain't none of this. Ain't none of it promise. Ain't none of this shit. None of this shit. None of this. Ain't none of it promise. I don't want to put it everywhere. Cause shit's gonna be painful. This is like the first take. Now we're just gonna wait for 15 minutes so we can turn this off. So we're back. Okay, so guys, I think it's ready. And after you take it off, that's like, I hate that part. You gotta put it off and just, oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh. Ow. My face looks smooth though, even though it hurt. Beauties definitely pain. Ooh, that hurt. I'm trying to stretch my face. Maybe it can move by itself, so it can just stick itself out, but that's impossible. Yep. The foil was easier. Vacation in France, nigga. Advanced, nigga. Can nobody stop me in Paris, nigga. I'm past my limit, I'm drunk and I'm blowing a whole lot of gas, nigga. 10 million in cash. Okay, guys. I still got some stuff on my face, but I'm gonna wash it out. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it out. So, join me to my bathroom to wash my face. You see it? Okay, guys. You just need to. It's like if I share soap. Like if I share soap, I break out. So I cannot share soap. Ain't none of this shit promise. Ain't none of this. Ain't none of this promise. Ain't none of this shit promise.
ain't none of this. Ain't none of this promise. Ain't none of this shit promise. Ain't none of this. Ain't none of it promise. Ain't none of this shit, none of this shit, none of this. And none of it promise. I love you. I love you.
And I got my little towel with me.
Talk is funny. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, so you guys ready? You went to the bathroom with me. I washed my face. I put some lashes on and everything, cause you know, and bitch gotta bye. And after I usually wash my face, I use my cocoa butter formula. That's what I use after I wash my face. So we're just gonna put that on. Yeah, so basically it's like, you know, it's good for hair and skin, and I use it for my skin. So yeah, I don't really use any moisturizer for my face. That's what I use. It's a hair something really rough for dry skin. I only got dry skin in the winter time, so but it make my skin really smooth, and it take any pimple I had that's growing on my face, instead of leaving this like the black spot, it actually take it off. It don't even turn into a black spot. Usually when I have a pimple, it always turns into some black spot. But now with this product, honey, my face been clean for like years. And if you guys see, like, I'm gonna show you guys my before pictures. Oh my god, it was horrible when I first wearing makeup. Oh, it's like I feel like I was doing like a transition for, like, you know, affordable makeup. I'm not gonna say cheap, because you know there's no such thing. Yes, that is, but from affordable makeup to, like, you know, high brand makeup. That's when the breakage started happening. It's like my skin was breaking. I got every fucking black spot all over my face. It was horrible. Until I did my research, I tried every product in the book, literally everything. Look at this picture. You're gonna look at this picture, and I literally tried everything. So then first I found moisturizer from Avon, but after I was using it, it was working. But the company stopped making those type of moisturizers, so after this I've been using. So that's what I use for my face. That's why it's so fresh. And yeah, I gotta put something up. Alright guys, I gotta keep entertaining y'all, you know. I feel like my goal for this year is to put 100 video out, and I'm going to do that. Yes, I am, because I'm that bitch. But you guys see the difference? Like, from the beginning my skin was looking dry and rusty. Now I got the bad bitch skin, you know. It's like smooth, like, ooh, like, what's the girls like, smooth. That's what it is. Thank you guys for watching my cleanses video. How, like, you know, how I got this. That's all I do. And I never sleep with my makeup on. Don't ever sleep with your makeup on, because it's gonna hurt you, like, you know, on the coming days, because the pimple will pop up. It's like pop. It's like a bunch of them shit. So, and one thing I always do, I don't share my soap and my pillows. My pillows, I always change them. My pillow sack, I always gotta change them, because if it's dirty, it make my skin break. I know my skin's so sensitive. Oh yeah, it make my skin, I always break. If my pillow's dirty, I gotta change it. I can share soap, and like the towels too, I gotta wash the towels frequently, because yeah. And I have my own little separate towel for my face. I got one for my body, you know. I got one for my body, and I also got one for her. When you guys were like, what do you mean her? I got one for my vagina too. My vagina got its own special towel, and I got one for my face. So basically I use one for my face, one for my vagina, and one for my body. This is like a girl's talk, so yeah. And for my lips, basically sometimes I just put this, but I've been trying like a new product, like this little cute little thing. Look at it, it's so cute, like, oh, so cute. And I just put that on my lips, And it smells so good too. It smells like lavender. Yeah, so that's what I use for my face. And as you can see, before it was looking dry, now it's looking glossy. It's looking more, it's like you can see the moisture dripping from my face. And yeah, so that's basically it. And I thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for commenting, thank you guys for subscribing, and I really am grateful for this. And I can stop taking ya. But honestly, I don't have a name for my fan yet, but I will find a name for you guys at the end of the year. Like, you know, I give you some time to figure some shit out. Maybe I can come up with a name for me. It'd be great. It will save me the trouble of thinking of a name. Okay, so thank you guys for watching me, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.